Once upon a twilight in Butterville, as stars blinked open, the village stretched and yawned. Mimi Muffin's moonlight bakery opened, filling the air with sweet scents. Mimi, a fluffy bunny, baked marshmallow clouds and honey-drop cookies, singing a cheerful tune. Mimi baked to bless, offering treats to those who were sad, sleepy, or grumpy. Her song spread joy, a sprinkle of sugar, a dollop of cheer, a warm cookie hug from the ones you hold dear. Meanwhile, Windy the owl, a messenger of moods, danced above. Windy, a twinkle-feathered owl, whispered wisdom into the wind. Kindness, my darlings, is like cinnamon in cocoa, warm, quiet, and unforgettable. Suddenly, a clatter outside startled Mimi. Toby Tumbletail, a wiggly squirrel, had tripped over a hummingbird. Mimi chuckled, helping Toby to his feet and giving him a raspberry swirl tart. Next time, come through the front door, she advised. Windy swooped in, giggling, Mimi's kindness is the wind beneath our wings. Meanwhile, Bruno Badger ran the Cranky Crust Bakery. Bruno's bakery was unwelcoming, with a sign saying, "No sharing. No smiling. No singing." He believed baking was a battle, refusing to share his creations. But that night, a storm hit, damaging his bakery and leaving him without cupcakes. Bruno, wet and tired, whispered, "No one will help me." Far away, Windy informed Mimi of Bruno's plight. Mimi packed a basket with supplies and a note, "Even the crustiest hearts can rise again." Toby, Lulu, and Windy joined her to help Bruno. When they reached Bruno's bakery, he asked, "Why are you here?" "To laugh at me?" Mimi offered the basket, saying, "To lift you up, like a good loaf of bread." Bruno, touched by the unexpected kindness, felt something old and lonely inside him melt. The next sunrise, Butterville found a surprise at the Cranky Crust Bakery, sweet treats for sweet souls, free today. Bruno, smiling awkwardly but genuinely, shared treats and laughter with the villagers, even letting Toby help stir the batter. That night, Mimi and Windy watched from a hilltop. Windy whispered, "Kindness isn't loud. It's like a whisper of vanilla in the air. You don't see it coming, but it changes everything." In Butterville, kindness became the secret ingredient in every heart. Whether you were a bunny, a squirrel, or a badger, everyone knew that with a little help from a friend, they could rise. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.